Emotion recognition system. It is made from Python. The system recognizes the facial features like if you are happy, sad, and it gives you a probability of how much percentage of how much happy you are not. So you can just try it by yourself. If you are happy, it looks like you are scared right now. If you just go a little further and you make a see you're neutral, it showed that you're neutral. With the probability, it shows that. And
why you didn't put any image? Change the value with image.
Actually, what happened was that we had made a different code. It was better than this. That had emojis. The whatever feature, special feature you made from your face, it turned it into emojis. But at the last moment, we had to make the secondary code due to malfunctioning of the laptop and our cameras. So this is just a secondary code that we made yesterday.
Apart from this, our primary previous code was having the body language system, which was able to identify the proper movement of an object. It is like a point-to-point movement. Like if I am touching this point, so it will identify, tell me that like I am touching it, and it will also sense my like how I am touching it, and it will make a grid like the structure of the object.
So you are in the university.